Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to create text to videos. We're going to create some videos using the new technology inside Canva. It's a piece of cake. Here's an example of something I've created. And the reason why this is interesting is because if I go over here to share it, here's one of the things that Canva's got going on for you. When I go to download, look at this. Over here on the right side, it's in 4K. So we can create 4K video using this new text to video type workflow. So let's just get going. I've got a new tab here opened up. I'm going to go to canva.com, and when you do that, you get a few options. Just click on the one that says video. It's going to open up a new tab, of course, which is crazy, but it does it. And then presto, here we go. We're in the video workflow. Now on the bottom side, you have to scroll down here to the bottom. You'll see Magic Media. Click on that, and then here up at the top, you'll see images. So if you want to create text to images, it does a great job with that. But we want to go to the videos, and you'll see it's got the new beside it. Click on the videos tab, and then here we go. This is all there is to it. I'm going to show you how to do this. So I'm going to go English Bulldog sitting on a throne with a purple, we'll just have some fun, purple hat on, with a hat on, something like that, something silly. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to click generate video. Now while it does that, I'll give you a couple of other things you should know. First off, you only get 50 credits per month. So that's the first thing. So and each one of these generations is worth 1 credit. So you can burn those up pretty quickly. Unfortunately, there are other free options out there as well. And secondly, this is a Canva Pro only feature, at least at the moment. So you have to have a Canva Pro account, and I believe those are like $5 or $10 a month or something like that. So keep that in the back of your head. This should be done in a few seconds here. When it's done, I'll show you what we got, show you how to download it, wrap it up. All right, so here we go. So here's our first crack at it, and from what I can tell here, it looks pretty darn good. I'll just click on it here, and when you click on it, it adds it right onto the canvas. You'll see here that this should be 4 seconds long, I believe. Let's take a look here. 1, 2, 3, well, maybe it's 5. And there we go. There we've got our English Bulldog wearing a hat, sitting on a throne. Looks pretty darn good. Yeah, it's 4 seconds long. To download it, just of course, go to the top here, click on download. And then keep in mind that you can adjust the quality. So I'm going to go to 4K, and then I just click on download, and it will download. So keep that in mind. It's got Runway ML in the background there, so it's coming along pretty good. And you can generate again. So if you're not sure if you like this one or you want to try again, just click on generate again. And that's literally all there is to it. Text to video is in Canva now. Thanks for watching.